Life is full of distractions. Emails, meetings, news, and social media all compete for our attention. It can feel like chaos is the default setting. So how do you build the career and life you want with all this daily noise? The answer lies in your brain. It's a sophisticated system designed to help you adapt and thrive. When you understand how it works, you can improve your focus, make better decisions, and build lasting habits. You can stop fighting your own instincts. Think of a region called the prefrontal cortex as your brain's internal CEO. It's responsible for prioritizing tasks and making decisions. But this CEO tires easily and needs a lot of energy. Stress, like a flood of emails and urgent requests, can quickly impair its function. Imagine a Monday morning where you have a packed to-do list, a flooded inbox, and a last-minute meeting is called. If you panic and start tackling small tasks, your CEO becomes overwhelmed. By noon, your list is scrapped, you're snapping at colleagues and feeling stressed. Now imagine a different approach. Instead of panicking, you take 10 minutes to assess the situation. You visualize the most important tasks for the day. With that clear image, you prioritize what is truly urgent and defer the rest. You even politely decline the last-minute meeting. By doing this, you protect your CEO's energy. You silence notifications and schedule short breaks. You work on complex tasks while your brain is fresh. You can then decline or delegate new requests calmly. The day ends with you feeling productive, not defeated. Now, what about multitasking? It feels productive, but your brain can't actually focus on two things at once. What you're doing is rapid task shifting. This overloads your CEO and drops productivity by around 40%. It also takes over 20 minutes to regain your full focus after an interruption. The opposite is monotasking, or complete focus on one thing at a time. Start small. Before checking your inbox, spend 10 minutes visualizing your most important tasks already completed. Picture the process and the sense of accomplishment. This primes your brain for success. To build this focus, silence your devices for an hour. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but it gets easier. And when something unexpected demands your attention, pause for a few minutes before reacting. This simple delay helps you respond more thoughtfully. Now, habits are just well-worn brain circuits. They are reinforced by a chemical reward called dopamine. Every time you check a notification or say yes to a last-minute demand, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine. This is why both good and bad habits feel rewarding. The good news is you can rewire these habits. Start with the visualization exercise. If you tend to stress eat, mentally rehearse going for a walk instead. Follow this with physical action, like organizing your workspace. It takes time, but your brain will begin to automate these new, healthier behaviors. Finally, use this same principle for big goals. Break them down into smaller, specific steps. Like musicians rehearsing short passages, tackling one piece at a time builds the neural pathways you need. This gives your brain the time it needs to turn your potential into real progress. Please like, share, and subscribe.